Hey, just want to share my recent discovery about moving and experience with getting a lot of or preparing for the move with dollies and boxes. So the way that I decided to move, because I have a lot of stuff, is by using a lot of large and medium boxes only, and using these cheap Harbor Freight dollies. These are $11 or $12 from Harbor Freight, and I bought the wooden dolly handle, swivel handle for wooden dolly. This is $11 or $12 also. So combination, both of them together is about $24 only. So what it is it's just a handle basically. Hang on a second. All right, there you go. It's a handle that goes in front of the dolly. It installs really easy, just 4 screws right there, and it allows you to pull the dolly and have control over it. And when you're not using it, it stores just like that, and there's a clip that comes with it so that it'll actually clip down pretty compact like that, so you can store it without bothering you at all. So when you're not using it, the handle that is, it actually operates as a normal dolly. I didn't install the clip, but the clip is included. It's a plastic clip. The only bad thing that I noticed about this dolly or this design is the fact that it doesn't come up very high. This handle right here. Okay, this is an example right here. See, it goes up to about, I would say, 65, 75 degrees. Actually pretty good. And it allows you to maneuver it pretty easily. Yeah, so it's good value. Instead of buying dollies that is $100, $200, $300, we have created many of these dollies that we can reuse later for other purposes, and it only costs about $24 each. If you want to buy these, I got it from Harbor Freight, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get it also, this particular setup from Amazon. So be sure to look at the link in the description. And if you like this video, find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.